Discover the artist in you with these fun and easy crafts projects. There's a certain thrill in creating something beautiful with your own hands. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned crafter, you'll find projects here that are just right for your skill level. From simple crafts that transform everyday household items into art, to more complex ones that might require a trip to the craft store, we've got it all. So buckle up and prepare to dive into the world of creativity. You'd be surprised at the crafting goldmine that is your home. Yes, you heard it right. The everyday items you overlook can be repurposed into beautiful creative projects. Let's start with scrap fabric. Those leftover bits from your last sewing project or old clothes you were about to throw away. They can be transformed into vibrant patchwork quilts, decorative pillows, or even funky tote bags. Then we have yarn. Leftover yarn from your knitting or crochet projects can be turned into colorful wall hangings or woven into braided rugs. You can even create a cute pom-pom keychain. Next up, we have everyday household items. That empty cereal box can become a cool magazine holder. Those used coffee grounds? They can be used for a homemade facial scrub or mixed into paint for an earthy texture. And don't forget about those empty glass jars. They can be repurposed into stylish storage containers, candle holders, or mini terrariums. A few quick tips and tricks for crafting with household items. Always keep your eyes open for potential crafting materials. Clean and store them properly to keep them in good condition. And most importantly, let your imagination run wild. Crafting is not just about the end product. It's about the process, the creativity, and the joy of making something with your own hands. Remember, the best part about crafting is making something beautiful out of the ordinary. Sometimes, a trip to the craft store or dollar store can open up a world of possibilities. Imagine aisles brimming with colorful fabrics, vibrant paints, and an assortment of beads, buttons, and ribbons. There's a treasure trove of crafting materials waiting for you to explore. Let's take scrapbooking, for instance. Craft stores offer a vast array of decorative papers, stickers, and embellishments that can transform a simple photo album into a stunning memory keeper. Or consider jewelry making, where a selection of beads and charms can help create unique handmade accessories. But remember, it's not just about picking up whatever catches your eye. Choosing the right materials is crucial. Consider your project needs, the quality of the supplies, and of course your budget. From sewing to painting, drawing to knitting, these stores are a goldmine for the creative spirit. With these supplies, your crafting options are limitless. Every season brings its own unique crafting opportunities. As the world around us changes, so too can our creative endeavors. Let's embark on a journey through the seasons and see how each one can inspire us in exciting new ways. Winter, often associated with coziness and warmth indoors, serves as a perfect time for knitting projects. Picture yourself curled up by the fireplace, knitting a soft, chunky scarf or a pair of mittens. Not only does knitting provide a calming activity for those chilly days, but it also results in a practical item you can use or gift to a loved one. As the snow melts and spring arrives, nature bursts into life, providing a plethora of inspiration for painting activities. Try your hand at watercolor painting, capturing the vibrant hues of blooming flowers or the soft pastels of a clear spring sky. You could even try fabric painting on a plain white tee, creating wearable art inspired by the season. Summer, with its long days and bright sunshine, is a great time to explore outdoor crafts. Consider making a colorful wind chime from recycled materials or painting stones to create a whimsical garden pathway. Let the warm summer breezes and the sounds of nature be your creative fuel. Autumn, with its rich colors and cool, crisp air, is perfect for leaf crafts. Collect fallen leaves and use them in a variety of projects, from creating leaf prints on paper to making a beautiful autumn wreath for your front door. The possibilities are as vast as the array of colors on the trees. Each season offers a unique palette and a variety of materials for your crafting projects. Don't be afraid to adapt and experiment based on the season. After all, crafting is about expressing your creativity and making something uniquely yours. So whether it's knitting a cozy winter blanket, painting a vibrant springtime scene, creating a summer wind chime, or crafting an autumn leaf print, let the changing seasons inspire your crafting journey. Remember, the changing seasons are just another reason to keep crafting. Crafting isn't just a hobby, it's a way to bring people together. Crafting is a universal language that transcends age, culture, and even skill levels. It's a fantastic way to bond, create memories, and even learn a thing or two. You see, when we engage in crafting, we're not just creating beautiful objects. We're also building connections, sparking creativity, and nurturing a sense of achievement that's satisfying to both kids and adults. Let's consider a few examples. Picture a rainy afternoon, where a simple knitting project becomes a cozy gathering for the whole family. The adults can share their knitting techniques, while the kids, with their nimble fingers, can learn a new skill and create their very own scarves or mittens. Or imagine a sun-drenched weekend where an outdoor painting session turns the backyard into a vibrant art studio. Here, everyone can express their creativity, painting their world as they see it, be it a serene landscape, a wild abstract, or even a whimsical doodle. And it's not just about the crafting itself, but also the process. The preparation can be just as fun and engaging. Organizing the supplies, choosing the colors, and deciding on a project can be an adventure in itself. It's a chance to make decisions together, learn about each other's tastes, and build a shared vision. Now, to make crafting a fun family activity, here are a few tips. First, choose projects that are suitable for different skill levels. This ensures everyone can participate and enjoy the process. Second, be open to improvisation. Sometimes the best creations are born out of happy accidents. And lastly, always celebrate the effort, not just the end result. Applaud the bravery of trying something new, the patience to stick with it, and the joy of creation itself. So go ahead, gather your supplies and start crafting. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Happy crafting!